Day 116, Numbers 25, Revelation 12, Psalm 106. Numbers 25 tells of Israel's tragic fall. After victories and blessings, they turned to sin, joining with Moabite women and bowing to false gods. God's judgment comes swiftly. A plague spreads through the camp, but one priest, Phinehas, sees what's happening and acts with holy zeal. He puts an end to the rebellion, and God honors him. He was zealous with my zeal, God says. Because of him, the plague stops. In Revelation 12, we see the cosmic conflict behind all this. A woman gives birth to a child, the Messiah, and a dragon tries to destroy him. But heaven protects the child. The enemy is cast out. Victory comes through the blood of the Lamb. Psalm 106 reflects on Israel's repeated failures and God's constant mercy. Many times he delivered them, but they were rebellious, yet he saved them for his name's sake. In a world losing its sense of holiness, zeal for God still matters. Comment Amen if your heart is burning for him. Like and share, and read Psalm 106 to remember God's mercy never fails.